right, everyone. So, we're going to be learning about text structures within a nonfiction text. Remember, a nonfiction text is text that is real. It is not imaginary, it is not made up, it is completely real. You're probably wondering, what are text structures? Text structures are a way in which an author organizes their writing. Simply put, it's the layout of the writing, how the author wants to get their information or point across. There's reasons why we need to know the text structure of a text. Number one, it gives us a purpose for reading. We're not just sitting there with text in front of us, just reading and reading and reading, and there's no reason why. No, we have a purpose for reading. Maybe we're trying to find the order of something. Maybe we're trying to find why something happens. So text structure helps give us a reason for reading. It also helps us understand what's important about a text. If I know that the structure of a text strictly talks about problem and solution, I'm not going to be bothered about if something is put in a certain sequence or order. I'm not going to be bothered about, oh my goodness, did they give me a description of what this person is? No. I'm just going to focus on what's wrong and how to fix what's wrong. And lastly, the text structure helps us to understand better what's important. It helps us understand main ideas and details better. It helps us understand the theme better. And it also helps us be able to retell or put the story in our own words. So there are 5 text features that we're going to learn about. The first is called description. If you can't see it, the root word in description is describe. Pretty much the author is going to talk about one specific topic and they're going to describe it. They're going to tell you more about it. The next text structure that we're going to learn about is sequence. Sequence is just the order in which things occur. Think of instructions, think of directions, think about a recipe. That's a sequence. That's the order that something happens. Compare and contrast is you're saying what is alike about 2 things, maybe more, and you're also saying what's different about that. Cause and effect is when something happens, guess what? Something else happens because of this main thing happening. So, if it's snowing outside, our cause is it's snowing. An effect or something that can happen because of the snow, roads are slick and slippery. People can fall if they're not careful. And it can freeze into ice. So those are things that can happen because it snows. And then our last text structure we're going to learn about is called problem and solution. Problem is what's wrong. What is the issue in this story? And our solution is, how do we fix this in our story? Those are our 5 text structures that we will be learning about.